Everyone wants a clear path to financial success, but most people get this wrong by chasing shortcuts. The surprising truth about PrimePath Finance in 2026 is that it focuses on structure over height. PrimePath Finance is a guided financial planning platform built for everyday users who want direction without complexity. Instead of offering dozens of tools, it focuses on a few core pillars: budgeting, saving, debt reduction, and long-term planning. When you sign up, PrimePath walks you through a financial snapshot. Income, expenses, debts, and goals are analyzed to create a step-by-step roadmap. You won't believe how many people have never seen their finances laid out this clearly before. One of PrimePath's strongest features is milestone tracking. Instead of vague goals, users see clear checkpoints, like reducing debt by a specific amount or reaching a savings target by a set date. This keeps motivation high and progress measurable. PrimePath also adjusts recommendations as your situation changes. If income drops or expenses rise, the plan adapts automatically. This flexibility makes it useful during uncertain economic times. The downside is limited automation. PrimePath guides decisions, but does not move money for you. Users must stay engaged to get the most value. In conclusion, PrimePath Finance in 2026 is still worth it for people who want clarity, structure, and steady progress. If you're tired of guessing what to do next with your money, subscribe for more practical finance insights.